Alright, introducing you guys to Mad Max, the 24 Hours of the Lemons build. 1973 Jag with a 5.4 Ford Triton engine. Nope. Stand rack rebuild. Got to work on the wiring. Seat position, different team members, different sizes. So look, fuel safe, fuel cell. Working on the suspension. Got some stuff to change. That one broke. We're gonna have to put a manual in here. So we're trying to figure out the manual. The engine is automatic, so we gotta rework it. Here goes the
something in here is clicking.
We have an exoskeleton roll cage.
You gotta be careful.
Cut out.
It has to be collapsed.
Change the
Everyone is.
foot pedals. Gotta put like a tilt in. We got a fire suppression system. Mad Max.
But the geometry would be different.
Put that one out. Yeah.
With that
Team
one,
member
going
Nick
back,
and Josh.
Yeah.
the mods, you'll see the frame.
Yeah, do
the-
that in the French.
I built newer
Built the newer.
mounts for it. It goes
Mounts.
up into those cups,
Mhm.
and they were real
Over.
flimsy. And so one of
Flimsy.
the common things was to beef those up.
Lance Corona.
New ones. It fits
Cooling
in what
system.
It was that steering column wasn't there working.
All right, so
it should work, but I made modifications.
we're gonna reach out to
this.
Holly, see. Get us all a Terminator X.
Check all that shit out, see what goes from there.
That's the fire suppression right here. That's part of what's this? The
No, that's,
accumulator.
Oil accumulator.
Oil
Fire
accumulator.
suppression is
Yeah,
but it's
the nozzle.
The windows.
Yeah. Exhaust. Exoskeleton. Trying to make it to the Le Mans of Houston in November. You think we'll make it? Car less than 500. Everything else we're getting and trading and selling stuff off the. Not that people desire this fireside, but it looks pretty cool. So there's a hood. Put in some heat extractor fans to help get the heat out. But bring it out.
This is